Hey makers, it's Charlotte with Makesy. Today I'm here to discuss a very important topic with you all, candle business trends for 2025. So if you've started planning ahead for 2025, you're probably wondering what products you can launch and how to position your business to set yourself apart for continued success. Lucky for you, I've got 5 trends for 2025 that will set your business strategy on fire. Let's get started. Trend 1, mood enhancing and functional fragrances. This one is not necessarily a new trend, but it's one we've been seeing in the market for the last few years. Functional mood enhancing fragrances are designed to take your candle to be more than just a visual or more than just a scent experience, but something that transforms your space and your entire mood. So, this trend can easily be implemented by introducing some of Makesy's mood-enhancing fragrances into your product line. Makesy has an array of different functional fragrances ranging from our Emoti Plus, that's our mood-enhancing fragrances, to Sani Plus, Clear Plus, and many others that can do everything from boost your scent to repel insects and even help clear bad odors from your space. So look to functional fragrances as a unique point of difference and sell your customer on more value than just a good smelling candle. Sell them on how your candle's gonna make them feel. One of my personal favorite Emoti fragrances is California Blossoms and Citrus Zephyr. This fragrance just makes me so happy. It is extremely uplifting and just clean, fresh, and an overall feel-good fragrance. Head to Makesy.com and go to our functional fragrances and our Emoti Plus fragrances to see all of the different ones that we have to offer. Trend 2, sustainability. Like mood-enhancing fragrances, sustainability is nothing new in the candle industry, but it continues to become a greater and greater focus for consumers. So how can you be sure that your product isn't looked at as wasteful, but instead looked at something that's contributing towards a positive change for the world? Start using sustainable materials in your candles. Our new Speckle vessel is made from recycled glass and created by artisans in India. These incredibly beautiful vessels not only showcase total elegance, but they also will display that your brand cares about the environment and you're investing in sustainable supplies. You can also choose candle waxes made from natural materials like soy, coconut, apricot, or beeswax as renewable materials. This will also highlight your investment in the planet and utilizing materials in your business that are in line with making our world a better place. Now, when it comes to wicks, I do have a slight bias here, but it's also a perfect alignment with this trend, and that is to use wooden wicks. Makesy's wooden wicks are made from all natural wood that is sustainably harvested in the USA. Not only that, but we also plant a tree with Trees for the Future for every $100 spent on wicks. We've planted over 300,000 trees to date. You guys are helping us make a huge impact. And we'll talk a little bit in trend number 3 as well about why wooden wicks contribute not only to sustainability, but to some other up and coming trends in the candle space. Another key area of sustainability in your business are your packaging choices. Don't forget to evaluate what packaging is necessary for your business and how that packaging impacts the environment. At Makesy, we utilize at minimum 100% recyclable packaging from beginning to end. Choose compostable or biodegradable options when available, or simply minimize your packaging for a minimalistic but elevated look. Trend 3, multi-sensory experiences. Like we talked about in trend number 1, with consumers looking towards mood boosting or functional fragrances, people want more out of their products, and that includes their candles. So, multi-sensory candles are candles that offer more than just the traditional scent benefit. There are a few different ways that you can implement this trend into your business. The first way is by utilizing wooden wicks. Wooden wicks have a cozy, crackling ambiance that creates an auditory experience along with a unique horizontal flame shape. You can also explore visual enhancements to your candles, such as scented wax sculptures or artisan-like vessels or shapes. Lastly, you can bring a totally unique and one-of-a-kind vibe to your products by adding a QR code that leads customers to a music playlist, to a video, a movie, or something that helps tie the candle and their sensory experience there with an auditory experience or a memory. Trend 4, non-toxic candles. As you have probably noticed in many other areas of your life as a consumer, like your food, your water, your personal care products, people are increasingly demanding more education and information about what they're putting into their bodies and into their homes. And for good reason. When it comes to non-toxic products, there are a few ways that you can communicate this to your customers. First, be transparent. Let your customers know what is in your product, what type of wax you're using, how you source your fragrance oils, what your wicks are made from. But at the same time, avoid making useless, non-value add claims like saying you have a cholesterol-free candle. You're not eating that. Check out each product page on Makesy.com for a list of what made better product claims apply to each supply that you're using. For example, when it comes to your wax, go to the product page and look for the made better tags to see what you can claim, such as phthalate-free, paraben-free, vegan, so on and so forth. That will help you build your basis for making non-toxic product claims. There's no real regulation within the home fragrance market about what non-toxic really means. So it's up to us to create our own standards and educate consumers on why they can safely use candles. One common misconception with candles is that fragrance is bad across the board. This is not true. There are other claims on blogs and different websites that claim only essential oils or all natural fragrances are safe, when in fact, it's practically the opposite that is true. While we can create safe essential oils and natural fragrances to be used in candles, we can also create safe synthetics that are consistent, affordable, and made to be safe for human use. So, don't perpetuate bad claims in the market, and be sure to educate customers as much as possible about everything that you're putting into your components. Again, refer to Makesy.com and look at each product page for the supplies that you purchase for what claims can be made. The fifth and final trend is home fragrance expansion. We've seen a lot of brands expand their product assortment in the last year, and for good reason. It's a great way to expand your revenue and give your customer base more of the products that they love from you. So if you already make candles, consider branching out into a product line extension. Some ideas include reed diffusers, room sprays, rollerball perfumes, and so much more. When customers love a fragrance, they tend to want it everywhere. So give the people what they want and create a full sensory experience for them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and let me know what you think of 2025's top candle trends. Be sure to subscribe to stay in the know on all the latest makers, tips, and tricks. Now go make it happen.